In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in Confluence. Labels are a simple but powerful way to organize pages, make information easier to find, and build dynamic lists that update themselves as your team adds content. By the end, you'll know how to add a labels list to a page, fine-tune what it shows, and create a clear visual status label your teammates will instantly understand. Start by opening your Confluence site and heading to the space or page where you want to work with labels. Choose a page you want to enhance, then click Edit to open the page editor. If you don't see the Edit option, you may need page or space permissions from your admin. Inside the editor, press the / key and start typing the word label. This opens the Quick Insert menu. From the results, select Labels List. This macro displays labels and the pages associated with them so readers can jump straight to content by topic. It's great for pages like indexes, hubs, or team homepages where you want to guide people to related work. Once the labels list is placed, look for the setting that lets you restrict results to the current space. Turn on Restrict to the space key to keep the list focused and avoid pulling in labels from other teams. This is especially helpful in larger organizations where the same label might be used in multiple spaces. Next, choose popular labels to highlight the most frequently used labels in this context. Surfacing popular labels gives readers an at-a-glance sense of what matters most and provides quick entry points into commonly searched topics. If you need to narrow the list further, use Filter by Label to include a specific label or set of labels. This is perfect when you're building a curated view, like only how-to pages or only onboarding content. Combine it with the space restriction for a clean, relevant list. You can also add a custom status label to the page. This is a visual tag, think draft, in review, or final, that communicates the page's state right where people are reading. Give it a short, clear name and choose a color that matches the meaning, light green for complete or amber for in progress. Keep names consistent so your team learns them quickly. When everything looks good, click Update to publish your changes. Your labels list will now help readers discover content faster, and your status label will set the right expectations at a glance. Pro tip: keep page labels short, lowercase, and consistent across your space for cleaner filtering and better search results. That's it, simple, organized, and ready to scale with your documentation.